Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to run a full virus scan using command prompt with the built-in Microsoft Defender tool. No extra software needed. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Windows security tutorial. Now let's get started. So to perform a full virus scan using the command prompt, you are going to open the command prompt by clicking on the search and then we type CMD. So you are going to run a command prompt with admin privilege. So I'm going to click on run as administrator. Then I'll click on yes to allow these apps to make changes. So now we are going to change to the Windows Defender directory. So to do that, we are going to type cd space the quotation sign percentage and then we type program files, okay, and then we bring our percentage sign backslash Windows Defender, okay, and then we bring our quotation sign. Then I'll press on the enter key. So now we've changed the directory to the Windows Defender directory, okay. So to perform the scan, we are going to type this command MpCmdRun.exe space -scan space ScanType, okay. So this MpCmdRun.exe is a Windows Defender command line tool, okay, and then the scan tells the Defender to perform a scan, okay, and the scan type is either a quick scan or a full scan, okay. So now we are going to perform a quick scan. So to do that, I'll bring a space and then I'll type 1, okay. So I'm going to press on the enter key and then the scanning is started, okay. So when we are done with the quick scan, I'm going to show you how to perform the full scan, okay. Okay, so you see the scan is finished. So you see Microsoft Defender scan results. Microsoft Defender antivirus scanned your device. No new thread were found, okay. So this is the command for the quick scan. I'm going to leave the command at the description below, okay. So to perform the full scan is the same command, but we are going to change the 1 to 2. So I'm going to bring the command, then I'll change the 1 to 2. So I'm going to press on the enter key and then the scanning has started, okay. So per the full scan is going to take time depending on the drive capacity or the size of your file, okay. So I'll be leaving the command at the description below. You can try your hands and leave your comment at the comment section. So this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.